everyone, welcome to Bike Biking. I'm Sparky. Today I'm here at a rather different place. It's still colours but it's different. There's different washing machines here today. So first we've got this AEG 7000 series. We haven't really seen much AEG in the past few months. Yeah, it's got an AEG drum in it, up down. And then we've got an AEG drum in there with rather terrible spin brakes in it. And then we've got an AEG 6000 series. Oh, this is a weird draw, I've never seen this before. This is weird. Let's have a look inside. This time it's got a Zanussi Lindo drum in it. With terrible spin brakes yet again, unfortunately. Then we've got another AEG 6000 series. This ain't got a weird draw this time though. Then we'll open the door and it's got a Zanussi Lindo drum with some terrible spin brakes in it. And then we've got Haier. These are quite rare, the Haiers. And it's got a rather posh drawer inside. So basically, it's quite a complex drawer, this one. Quite weird. Very, very weird indeed. That's how it comes out. And then finally we can have a look inside the drum. It's got a weird, slightly different drum to most machines. Let's try it. It's rubbish. There's another Haier. This one's got a standard drawer in it though. And the smallest drum you'd ever see. Even though unfortunately has spin brake in it. Same thing pretty much. But just with slightly different colours in it. This one's empty. It's a nice one, that. I like these ones. A higher direct motion again. So one thing I like about this one is that you can see it better. I like these higher ones. If you look at that, it's a weird drum as well. Hisense. It's got a nice Hisense thing going on inside it. Here's a Hisense. Another Hisense. We've got a weird drawer, that cool drawer. And there's another Hisense. There's loads of Hisense. This one's got a window, but different drawer though. So the windows are cool drawers with them. Inverter Hisense again. And we've got another. We've got Hotpoint machines. This is an 11 kilogram with the titanium drums. Rubbish spin brakes in those, I have to say. Another Hotpoint with half its gunk missing. Doesn't matter that much to me. It's got normal drum in this time. It's an 8 kilogram. Here's the integrators. So we've got this lovely AEG one. Over. Hoover. Quite used to Hoover a lot. They always do that sometimes. Beko. Quite used to Beko. The Beko here, but with less stuff in it. I do not know what these are, to be honest. I've got Bosches. Quite like some Bosches. I've got Hoover again. Quite used to these Hoovers. Got some more down integrated stuff. Unfortunately, no one's got tape on it, but we'll have a look at the front of it. So here we've got Candy Smart washing machine. Let's open it and have a look. Here we've got Beko washing machine. Hotpoint. Velcroed shut. I think that's kind of weird. That's a Hotpoint integrated. That is rubbish. It's got stupid brakes on it. This one's tied shut, but this is what it looks like. Here's the drawer. I can't go inside this one because it's got loads of tape on the door, unfortunately. But it's in the set. There's a Hotpoint Hoover, not Hotpoint. Washing machine integrated. That's a nice machine, that, in my opinion. They all are, really. Logik. Integrated washing machine. Right then. Got some lovely ovens here as well. But not too washing machines. So we've got some quite amazing washing machines here. So first of all, we've got Samsung washing machine. There's a door. And then we've got a nice drum in there. I love these ones. Another Samsung. Got a decent one. Very, very decent. I need to give this one a bit of extra. This is such a good one. They take ages to slow down. In my opinion, that's a really good washing machine. That one takes ages, doesn't it? So then we've got an LG. Open it. Small drum for a 10.6. I like that LG as well. Got another LG. Hopefully this one's just as good. Not as good, but here's a Bosch. Good old Bosch. Turn the power off to make sure it's all safe. Bosch machine. Rubbish. Let's try this one, Bosch. Dodgy drawers. This is what's called rubbish manufacturing. I'm not good at it. Haier, washing machine. This better be a good Haier again. There's another Haier, hopefully this one's just as good. Bigger drum. Scoot over to the Hotpoint, which is just a little bit further. We've got a small titanium drum. Hoover wash and dry 350. Hoover wash and dry 350. Beko ultra fast. Weird drums inside those again. But this time we've got some nice wheel drums in here. Let's make sure they're working and spinning. We've got some more Bekos, but this time they ain't got weird drums and they don't have stuff in either. And there's a cute little drum in there, in my opinion. Hisense. Another good with Hisense. More Hisense. Quite easy to get to do. Nothing breaks the Hisenses. Handy Smart Pro inverter, very good. Let's get that one. Good one with all the stuff falling in it. Right then. The interset, I've got to draw. Rubbish, but I have a feeling this older interset will do a bit better. Or maybe not. Maybe it's still just as bad. Handy Smart washing machine, empty this time. Logik, Logik washing machine. Sit here all day flicking that. Yeah. These are just tumble dryers here. Let's see this way. There's more washers here. This is probably the last aisle. Moving to boring junk dishwashers. So we've got Logik, quite a wobbly Logik, and this is just tiny. Roast and grapes, which makes it even cooler. Might need to give that one a go again. It is just cute inside there. Just tiny that. In my opinion, that drum is only that big. Like, how much laundry would you get in there, guys? Let me know in the comments how much laundry you get in that. There's another Logik washing machine, but it's more logical with its size. What kg that is? Probably 6 or something. Quite quite a few Logik. Logik, yeah. Lovely Logik. We've got a slightly different one, it's an interset, but this time it's got a better drawer in it. I won't set the temperatures to 70 though. I'm not a 70 guy. So then we're going to go past the TV to an interset. Please be better than the other one. These are no good. I'm not recommending the Sit or Hotpoint anymore. Used to love them, but they've gone downhill with their daft little brakes things on them. More for the Sit. It's better be a little bit better at least. Candy smart washing machine. More candy. I'll spin this one either way for good luck. We are a Beko. Especially the ones with the tiny drums. Slightly bigger drums in them. Beko. It's a weird sort of drum infrastructure. Yeah, these ones are just very weird. It's the Hoover now. Hoover. And then Hoover 9 kg. Not sure it's off for safety reasons. And then we're going to give it a quick tumble. In my opinion, I like this one. It's a 10 kg Hoover. Hoover 12 kg, massive. Loads of booklets and things in there. Just like with any other washing machine I go to here. H-Wash 8 kg. There's something in there. A weird one that. it. 10 kilogram Hotpoint titanium. Trying to get more and more rubbish now. Look like these anymore. They used to be awesome. That's not as bad. Got the one in our home. Want to check that video out? Here's a grey and silver one. 7 kilogram. Let's see how it reacts. So here we've got Beko energy spin washing machine. We've got a Samsung washing machine. Smart things. Front drum in it. It's not the new Samsung drums, is it? Oh. Rubbish Hotpoint, but we'll give it a go anyway. Bosch. Let's move on. Over to these final two. That one's a tumble dryer, so we'll skip that one. The sneaking little tumblers in now. We've got Samsung washer. And that'll just slow down to a stop. Then we'll go to this aisle. This is the water LG over there, what we'll get to shortly. But first we'll go to a Hotpoint. I like the doors on these are really, really nice. Even though it's a rubbish machine. It's a nice area. Black Hotpoint, 8 kilogram. I thought that was a freestyle one. It'd be crazy if there was an older one in here. And we've got Hotpoint. Rubbish 7 kg Hotpoint. Hotpoint. I'm not getting another one. Definitely not. Eco bubble digital inverter. Samsung with actually a capture on the drawers now. Bet these ones cost a lot of money. Bosch machine. There's more washing machines because it's a big Currys. Bosch washing machine. It's got a nice drum. Looks of it. Yes, it has. It's a nice machine. I recommend Bosch. There's another Bosch. I think there's too many of them. Once again, it's a really good machine. I like the Bosch on the window. We've got Bosch there. Another Bosch. One-way Bosch. Oh, what is this? This is weird. Hotpoint. Whoa, it even has a weird drum in it. Oh, it has stupid brakes on it, but this is weird. Never expected a washing machine like that. I can't believe it's such a crazy washing machine like that. We're being for it. Let's go over here. We've got a Miele W1. It opens the other way. It's a Miele. Oh. Imagine all these things. Another Miele. Oh, that's weird. Miele have put some bricks in theirs as well. That's ridiculous. More Miele, please be better. That's a better Miele. More Miele. These are crazy units. Spin brake. Weird Bosches as well. This is where the posh stuff's at. Bosch. What we're here? Oh wait, there's more over there. There's too many. Too many. There's loads. Samsung. Apple. You can watch the drum through here. The stupid thing. If it's a 1400 RPM spin, the kid opens it and puts the arm in it. Wet their arms, so it's not a safe washing machine if you have a kid. Samsung. Then we've got Samsung and LG, the capital brands of a Miele. Digital inverter washing machine. Look in it. Tiny LG 9 kg. I actually like this one. It's got the older drum in it. It's got the old LG drum in it. Another one, but this one's got a newer drum. LG Thank You 11 kg. 9kg LG. It's not thank you. .9kg LG. This one's not a thank you either, it's just a standard. Rubbish, but this one might be a bit better. I wonder what drum it says. The new LG drum. Sneaky little aisles with washing machines in. More LG. This is pretty much a full row of LG right here. Then we've got a sneaky middle LG.
Now price match against any other retailer, even matching discount codes. You won't get it cheaper. Faster.
I hate them. Bricks. Full row of Beko here, so be prepared. If you don't like Beko, skip this part. Beko. Energy spin. Don't need to say Beko because it's all Beko on this row. Beko Aquatech. Beko. Beko. There's loads of it. This is going to be a new drum design again. It's discontinued the old Beko range. Kind of strange area right now. This AEG washing machine in it. I don't like AEG anymore. I wasn't see or any Electrolux. Hoover. Don't vacuum things up. That's a tumble dryer. It's a Haier dryer. So we'll skip that. Here we've got a Haier washing machine. That's a fast Haier, that. So free. Hotpoint. Yeah, we'll have to draw out them because how weird these drawers are with Hotpoint. A little bit of what? Does it? And that one. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.